Good morning everyone. Welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we'll discuss the banking awareness which are important for RBI, ECGCPO and other banking related exams. Pong Payments has partnered with Dash to enable international growth for US buyers and Indian sellers. So the Pong Payments has partnered with India Sourcing Network. The Pong Payment was founded in the year 2015. HSBC India and which bank has established $100 million partial guarantee program for microfinance in India? HSBC India and Asian Development Bank has established 100 million partial guarantee program. HSBC will lend to microfinance institutions and non-bank finance companies. Which bank has been adjudged as the best performing bank in self-help group linkage by National Rural Livelihood Mission? It is HDFC Bank has been adjudged as the best performing bank in self-help group linkage. Dash has launched Grain Bank loyalty cards for farmers to get valuable information on their farm products. Ergos has launched Grain Bank loyalty cards. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Mahindra Manulife Mutual Fund? Anthony Heredia has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Mahindra Manulife Mutual Fund. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Tata Consultancy Service for a period of 5 years? Rajesh Gopinath has been appointed as the MD and CEO of TCS. Who has been reappointed as the Chief Operating Officer and Executive Director for TCS? N. Ganapathy Subramaniam has been reappointed as the Chief Operating Officer and Executive Director for TCS. Dash Visa and Transcorp has launched Mahila Money prepaid card for women entrepreneurs. Mahila Money, Visa and Transcorp has launched Mahila Money prepaid cards. State Bank of India will set up a innovation, incubation and acceleration center in which Indian city? In Hyderabad. The SBI will set up a innovation, incubation and acceleration center in Hyderabad. RBI Innovation Hub and which IIT institute has signed an MOU to boost fintech startups? RBI Innovation Hub and IIT Madras has signed an MOU to boost fintech startups. Which bank to launch SmartHub Vyapar Programme and Auto First app? HDFC has launched SmartHub Vyapar Programme and Auto First app. Which state government to set up Nandini Kshira Samriddhi Cooperative Bank? It is Karnataka state government to set up Nandini Kshira Samriddhi Cooperative Bank. Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited to merge with which bank? With HDFC Bank. Which bank has signed an MOU with Border Security Force to provide special benefits to retired BSF personnel? State Bank of India has signed an MOU with Border Security Force. Who is the head of the committee formed by SEBI to strengthen governance of market infrastructure institution? G. Mahalingam is the head of the committee formed by SEBI to strengthen governance of market infrastructure institutions. What was the amount contributed by India to United Nations Democracy Fund for 2022? $150,000 was the amount contributed by India to United Nations Democracy Fund. And India is the third largest contributor to UN Democracy Fund. ICICI Securities has partnered with Dash to offer insurance products. It has partnered with CoverStack. Which bank to sell its 8% stake in India SME Asset Reconstruction Company to Dhan Samriddhi Finance? Union Bank of India to sell its 8% stake to Dhan Samriddhi Finance. What was amount of loan provided by World Bank and Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank for the Gujarat government's Mission School of Excellence project? It was 7,500 crores was the amount provided by the World Bank and Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank for Gujarat government's Mission School of Excellence project. Reserve Bank of India has projected India's inflation to be dash for financial year 2022 to 2023. 5.7%. Reserve Bank of India has projected India's gross domestic product growth at dash for the financial year 2022 to 2023. 7.2%. India's gross domestic product, that is GDP growth. Reserve Bank of India has raised the CPI inflation forecast to dash for financial year 2022 to 2023. 5.7%. GDP growth 7.2%. What was the name of super app launched by Union Bank of India? Union Next. What was the name of the digital transformation project launched by the Union Bank of India? Sambhav. Who has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of DCB Bank for a period of 2 years? Murli Natarajan has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of DCB Bank. Which bank or institution has released the guidelines on the establishment of digital banking units? Reserve Bank of India has released the guidelines on the establishment of digital banking units. Which bank and French firm LDC has signed an MOU for $100 million loan to help small farmers? Asian Development Bank and French firm LDC has signed an MOU for $100 million loan to help small farmers. Reserve Bank of India has imposed a penalty of 93 lakhs on which bank? 93 lakhs penalty on Axis Bank. Reserve Bank of India has imposed a fine of 90 lakhs on which bank? 90 lakhs penalty on IDBI Bank. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Asia Pacific India, Middle East and Africa by Wipro? Anis Chenchan has been appointed as the CEO of Asia Pacific India, Middle East and Africa by Wipro. HDFC Ltd has divested what percentage of stake in Bandhan Bank for 1,522 crore through an open market transaction? 3.08% in Bandhan Bank. Which insurance company has partnered with Common Services Center to deliver life insurance protection covers to rural households? Which insurance company? It is Tata AIA Life Insurance. And Common Service Center is under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Who has been appointed as the Chairman of National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers? Dr. Mahesh Verma has been appointed as the Chairman of National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers. Who has been appointed to UN High-Level Expert Group on Net Zero Emissions Commitments of Non-State Entities? Dr. Arunabha Ghosh. Dash has launched Marathon Ideathon to promote innovation. Securities Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, has launched Marathon. Who has been nominated as director on the board of Punjab National Bank by Government of India? Who has been nominated? Pankaj Sharma has been nominated as a director on the boards of Punjab National Bank. Who has been nominated as the directors of IDBI Bank by the Government of India? Who have been? Manoj Sahe and Sushil Kumar have been nominated as the director of IDBI Bank. Which bank has signed an MOU to promote GIFT SEZ to India as well as global business, including IT and financial service? The bank is ICICI Bank has signed an MOU to promote GIFT SEZ to India. Government of India has approved the signing of an MOU between SEBI and which Securities Commission? SEBI and Manitoba Securities Commission, which is in Canada. World Bank has slashed the India's GDP growth rate to dash from 8.7% for the fiscal year 2022 to 2023. World Bank has slashed the India's GDP growth rate to 8% from 8.7%. Dash becomes the official digital payments partner for Pradhanmantri Sangrahalaya. Paytm. Government of India has authorized share capital of how many public sector general insurance companies? 3. And the 3 companies are National Insurance Company Limited, Oriental Insurance Company Limited, United India Insurance Company. Dash, in collaboration with My Government and BSC Investors Protection Fund, to launch third national online quiz on Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. It is Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, in collaboration with My Government and BSC Investors, will launch third national online quiz. Who has been reappointed as the non-executive director for a period of 5 years by HDFC Bank? Renu Karnad has been reappointed as the non-executive director by HDFC Bank. Renu Karnad. Fino Payments Bank to buy what percentage of stake in Fintech Paysprint Pvt Ltd? 12.19%. Fino Payments Bank to buy 12.19% of stake in Fintech Paysprint Pvt Ltd. Which state Grameen Bank to launch 1111-day deposit scheme? It is Karnataka Vikas Grameen Bank to launch 1111-day deposit scheme. Which bank's mobile app has been awarded the Outstanding Digital CX-SME Payments at the Digital CX Award 2022? IndusInd Bank has been awarded the Outstanding Digital CX-SME Payment. State Bank of India has raised dash million through IFSC Gift City branch. The SBI has raised 500 million through IFSC Gift City branch. According to a policy research working paper by World Bank, the poverty in India is declined by what percentage? 12.3%. Punewala FinCorp has partnered with Dash to offer personal loans to individuals. Crazy Bee. Punewala FinCorp has partnered with Crazy Bee to offer personal loans to individuals. So if you like our videos, please subscribe to Concepts Hub. Thank you and all the best.